Hi guys, welcome back yet again with a brand new video. In my last video I've been sitting there saying I'm looking forward to this, and I've been saying on my Instagram and my other social medias I'm doing something to the Callipers, which is also known for this title of this video. I'm hoping that you lot guessed the right colour. If you did, fucking you got the same idea as me. All the other colours, don't like them. No, I'm joking. I don't regret all the colours. It's just a specific colour for this car. I think it'll look much better compared to the other colours. But yeah, but before the video starts, from B7 Performance. So with B7 Performance, make sure to go over to the website and check it out. It does anything. He'll get you the parts, etc. You name it, he'll try his best to get it. But yeah, if you go over to the website, get your parts for Fiestas, you name it, whatever part you want. Please make sure to use Tyler Scott in all capitals for 10% off on all parts. Guys, that's what we've done so far. That's the first I can go, mate. It's 12 years old. It's the first I would ever go with this. It's not too bad, and the colour everyone that is going for, everyone's been asking me, saying I do yellow, do red, do blue, white and all this, and the colour that I've gone for is, yeah, this is a racing red, I believe. The colour's absolutely immense. I'm just trying to stir it to get it thickened. But yeah, do that. I'll see. We're gonna do this first coat together, and then I'll go from there and then see what it's like in the morning. So if I scratch that. Oh yeah, mate. Now that's what you call a red, mate. Absolutely. In person, you can see how red that is. That is absolutely sick. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to turn out good. Hopefully it does. But yeah. So this is what we're doing at the moment. Make sure you get all into the grooves and stuff like that. Yeah, man, and go from there. Right guys, as you can see, they're absolutely immense. If I take you to it, but just a close up. Oh, wait, look at that. look they just look brand new, man. That is a quick mod to do. It's a racing red. It's definitely a great colour to look at, and especially in person. I've just finished putting lacquer on it. It says to give it about an hour, but this car is going to be sitting here for another 3 days anyway, so all I can say is that's definitely going to be dry by the time I next use this car again. Same, but yeah. A nice little cold start for you boys. It's got to be the tradition. Guys, I've had a lot of comments. Right, this is only a back box delete. Only a back box. It's no custom exhaust, nothing. It's just a custom. It is a custom, but it's custom back box. It's just a delete. There's no system on this, nothing. These are obviously the fenders I installed. If you ain't seen this and you're new to this, go back and watch the video. Well, that is the end of the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it actually inspires you to do it to your motors. Any car, it doesn't have to just be my Fiesta. If you're watching this and you just want to know how to paint your calipers, I followed these procedures and steps, and I saw people put primer on it, but I was looking into it. So basically the reason why people have been using primers is that with newer cars, it's like the actual caliper itself is such a smooth edge. The whole surface is smooth, so they use it because it needs something to grip onto. Whereas, like, yes, I think my car is 2009. I think it's 10, 11, 12, it's like 12, 13 years old. It's got like as you saw on the calipers, it's a bit like down like bumps and stuff like that, but it's got extra, like, because of that, it's got like something to hold on to. There's not much I could possibly get out of it. It's the best I could probably do, and I think it's definitely done a massive transformation for this car. It absolutely looks sick. I've had people say it's nice because they've seen it on the road where I've been using it for like my daily. So yeah, so I really like this red on my car because it definitely goes with the K&N. You've got the red calipers. I've got a red toe strap, but I need to install it, but I'm waiting for something so I can put it on. But it's just giving it a little bit of red and stuff like that, and I think it will look absolutely amazing. But yeah, I hopefully would use this video and let know on the comments that you've done it or you're looking into it. Hit me up on any social medias or my YouTube channel. Leave a comment below. I would always answer them. I'll try to get to them. But yes, but I think this is the best and cheap way to actually make your car look the sport look, rather than getting the Brembo brakes. The reason why I didn't get the Brembo brakes is because I feel like with a car like this and only 150 brake, at the moment, I don't think it's really reasonable to get Brembo brakes. I think it's, in my eyes, I think it'll be silly on my car because they're designed to brake for bigger cars for the performance, where mine's not that fast, if you know what I mean. So I just think it'll look a bit silly. So I just gone for the stock, paint them, make them look nice, and go from the cheapest. But in the future, I really want to take this further out, maybe engine swapping out. I really am looking into it. I'm not saying too much because it's too far forward. The whole point of this grind and all that is for people out there that the first cars to start with, this is the cheapest and stuff like that to make it look nice. I personally wouldn't say I spent really a lot of money on what I've done on my car. There is some parts like splitters and stuff like that, they're like the type of things that will get a bit expensive. It's not really like a self-do type thing, like a DIY, so you will have to buy the parts and stuff like that. Yes, it's a pain in the ass to fit them, it's just all that, but I'm just looking for the stuff that you can do for cheap and also don't look cheap, if you know what I mean. It just looks nice, you get good comments, and just go from there, you know what I mean. So this is the whole point of the videos and stuff like that. And like I said, I will be putting this maybe into an engine swap in the future, but it's too far forward at the time. If you're new to this channel, everything I've done is on my channel. Just look through it and then it'll explain everything about me. It's just a custom back box delete. That's all I've got. I've got no systems out, but there's a video in my channels. Just go through it and then everything's there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.